How to change your Twitter username. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the username of your Twitter account. So first of all, open your Twitter app on your mobile device. And now, once you've opened your Twitter app, make sure you are logged into your account, and once you're logged in, you'll have to tap on your profile icon, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And now, in order to change your username, tap on the last option, which is settings and support. Scroll down and then again go to settings and privacy. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option your account. Now it will basically provide you with 4 different options. Tap on the first one, which says account information, and there you'll find the option named username. So tap on it, and now you'll be able to see your current username. So in order to change your username, just under new, you can simply remove this, and now you can type in your new username which you want to create. Now once you've selected a new username you want to keep, simply tap on the option done, and there you have it. Your username has been successfully updated. So that is basically how you change your Twitter username. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.